Hi plant parents, Buster and I are back today. We're gonna take leaves off of these echeverias and propagate them. Second, if your echeveria starts to get lanky, I will show you how to propagate it so that it's short and compact. You might have heard the term propagation before. Propagation essentially is for people who want to share plants or create more plants. For succulents, it takes about a month before you can start seeing growth. Propagation tends to work best for me in the spring or summer. I live in Wisconsin, so it's cold here in the winters. Propagating indoors is possible. I prefer to propagate outdoors. Anyone can propagate. If Buster can do it, anyone can do it. I am going to be using a terracotta saucer to put my soil in and my propagations in. As for the cuttings, I'm gonna put them back in their original pots. So I've already made some soil mix here. 2 parts soil, Miracle-Gro. 2 parts soil, Miracle-Gro. Why can't I say that? 2 parts soil, Miracle. 2 cups. 2 parts soil, Miracle-Gro. 1 part sand and 1 part perlite. Next, you're gonna need your plants that you want to make babies of, clones essentially. And third, you're gonna need something to cut your plants with. Well, I'm going to be using a surgical blade. I am going to do both leaf propagation and a stem cutting. The unique thing about an echeveria is that they have a rosette pattern with their leaves. So I can't just make a straight cut here, or else I'm going to slice into another leaf, and I'm trying to maximize the amount of leaves I have to propagate. So I'm going to go in at an angle. I'm going to cut further down so that I have a stem for roots to grow out from. These are 2 examples of leaf propagations. The one on the right is no good because, as you can see, it is broken. On the left one here, you can see that it had a clean break. This one will produce a new baby. What you should do first is let this callus over the wound for a few days, and all you do is just put it in there. So these are 2 examples of leaf propagations that I have started about a month ago. If you look here, sometimes you get lucky and they'll put out multiple babies per leaf and not just one stem. What I like to do is I just take my baby terracotta pots I fill them up with soil. And I just put the babies in, top it up with a little soil, tap it with my fingers to make sure that soil is making contact with all the roots. After a few months, get something like this.